Hello, dear friends. Welcome to the channel for learning English through stories. We are very happy and hope that everyone will improve their English listening and reading skills with us. Today, our lesson will be the
story, The Tortoise and the Hare. Once upon a time, there was a fast hare and a slow tortoise. The hare always laughed at the tortoise for being so slow. One day, the tortoise said, "Let's have a race." The hare thought it was funny, but he agreed. The race began. The hare ran very quickly and soon was far ahead. He looked back and saw that the tortoise was very far behind. "I am so fast," he said. "I will take a nap." The hare lay down under a tree and fell asleep. Meanwhile, the tortoise kept moving, slowly but steadily. He did not stop. When the hare woke up, he saw that the tortoise was almost at the finish line. The hare ran as fast as he could, but it was too late. The tortoise won the race. Moral: slow and steady wins the race. Basic vocabulary: hare, tortoise, race, fast, slow, nap, finish line, steady, win. Video closing message. Thank you for listening to the story of the tortoise and the hare. We hope you enjoyed it and learned some new English words. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to watch more English stories. See you next time.